In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Google AI Studio Light, Dark, System. If you spend a lot of time building prompts or testing models, the right theme can make a big difference for comfort and focus. Here's a clear, quick walkthrough so you can switch between light, dark, or let Google AI Studio follow your device's system setting. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google AI Studio build page. This is the main workspace where you create and manage your apps and prompts. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your Google account before the page fully loads. Once you're on the build page, look toward the top area of the interface for the gear icon or the label that says Settings. This is where all of your general preferences live. Click Settings to open the Preferences panel. Inside this panel, you'll find an option labeled Theme. This is the control that determines how the interface looks across the entire studio experience. Go ahead and click Theme to reveal your choices. You'll see three options: Light, Dark, and System. Light mode gives you a bright background with high contrast that's great for well-lit spaces and for screenshots that need to be crystal clear. Dark mode uses darker backgrounds to reduce glare and eye strain, especially helpful when you're working at night or in low-light environments. System uses whatever your device or browser is set to, so if your computer switches between light and dark automatically based on time of day, Google AI Studio will follow that schedule without you needing to change it manually. Select the option that fits your workflow best. As soon as you choose one, the interface updates right away, so you can immediately preview how the editor, navigation, and panels will look. If you're making content or demos, consider how your audience will view your screen. Light can improve readability for presentations, while dark can be easier on your eyes during long build sessions. If you're unsure, System is a smart default because it stays in sync with your device preferences. That's all there is to it. You went to the build page, opened Settings, clicked Theme, and made the change you wanted. Your choice will be remembered the next time you visit, so you can keep working with a look and feel that matches your environment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable Google AI Studio experience with the theme that suits you best.